Hello guys and assalamu alaikum. I have a fine doing it in your life. So as per the tweet from React Lab, we are going to get some updates in React in 2024. So one of them is React compiler. So basically there are some hooks which is use memo and use callback which are used to memorize the result or to minimize the re-rendering of a component while any state update in the component. So this hooks might be not replaced but might be more efficient while using React compiler, and that will help you to minimize, and you will observe the minimization of the re-rendering while your state is updating continuously in your component. The second update is forward ref. Forward ref is basically used when there is a there is a child parent child relationship in any components. When you are creating a component and then creating a sub component or nested component inside that parent component, so there are some relationship which is parent child. But now when there are some use cases or logics which need to be built on a relationship of child parent, so we usually use forward ref. So this is one of the way to use to use the logic as a relationship in child parent. So this forward ref might be replaced as a ref in a prop. So this also help to minimize the concept to understand in terms of the different relationships we have in the React components or nested components. So the third update is about UseHook within the React. It was in experimental state, but now the React Lab has officially announced that when you're using use context, the use context is basically used to allocate a global or module wise state in the application. So this will be used in a UseHook, the use context, and also the promises we used, it's also can be used in UseHook. So you can learn about it in their articles which they have published on the React Lab or different websites. So there are more updates in terms of SEO. So when you're using use client or use server, these two terms are basically from Next.js framework, which is built in on React. So when you're using these two terms, you will get server-side rendering or client-side rendering, and in terms of these both, you can get some good SEO. So there are more tags or more features are going to introduce in these two directive. So let's see what further we can get in the React. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.